Hello crafty friend, it's Justine. Today I have a fun, lovey-dovey, maybe one would say it's a wedding card, I don't know, maybe anniversary or just a hello, I love you kind of card, but it's full of really fun papers and different techniques. So stick around, find out more as I go here. First of all, I just want to say that my last video that I posted, I said that I am going to have jury duty, so I'm probably there when this video is up. So hopefully that's going well. I don't know. But I have been super excited about this month's releases and for July's club items. They're so awesome this next month, so stay tuned. I am probably either in court with jury duty or prepping for those videos. We'll see. But this card I am so excited about because look at that paper. That is so funky, and it's almost like that mirrored cardstock because you can see my lights there. But look at all of the color that is captured here. It's just gorgeous, and it's almost a shame because I'm covering up almost all of it, but it still will be there with the border. Now I'm covering it up with this light lilac color paper. This has been 3D embossed with, just ran out of my tape runner. I'll use the Spellbinders one then. It's been 3D embossed with the embossing folder. Let's see, it is E3D056, and it is just gorgeous, and I love a 3D embossing folder, especially this one because it has so much dimension, which I love, and it is so easy to use an embossing folder, and it gives such a wow factor to a card. So I'm going to center it on my card here, and then we'll go to the next layer. The next piece is going to be this pattern paper stripe. I'm going to use my liquid glue just because it's going onto a bumpy surface. This pattern paper was a scrap that I had in my craft room. I have no idea where it came from, but I'm sure that if you were trying to remake this card, you have some kind of purple scrap that could go in the place of this one. My next layer is going to be this circle, which is just so pretty because it's been glimmer hot foiled. Look at how pretty that is. This foil was part of this glimmer variety pack. It was this foil, which is called the Silver Holographic Facets one. Just gorgeous. This is a really great pack to have, and yes, I store them in the box so they don't get dusty or scratched, but look how pretty that is. This one is gorgeous as well. I used a circle die to die cut out this one, and I actually used this circle die that was from the It's My Party release. You can see the little notch there, and this is the large balloon die, but it's just meant to be a circle die for this card and not a balloon. But it is a really nice circle die, so I'm just going with it. I'm just going to kind of turn my circles so the lines aren't going one direction. They're not going toward the top or toward the side. It's just kind of a turned moment. Oh, I just realized I forgot to put my ring on. Well, yeah, I guess I don't have my ring in this video. I'm still married. Okay. Anyway, the next die that I'm going to use is this gorgeous die that has these two birds sitting on it. I just love them. They just look very serene and peaceful. I don't remember the name of it, but I will have it on the screen for you, so take a look at the screen. This was a die from the sealed collection that was kind of like the first push for the wax seals, and it is just gorgeous. I love using this card for wedding or sympathy or even just a simple hello card. I think it has so many occasions because it is a just simply stunning die. It is so delicate with all of these little branches. I just really like this one. So I'm going to kind of place my die about here, and I want the birds, I want the birds to be on the circle, but not, like, they don't have to be centered. And then my wax seal is going to go right about here. And, oh, I wrote on the back to help remind myself, this was the pastel lilac color. And I used the rose stamp the rose wax seal to seal that off, and then I took some silver paint pen and just added a little bit of silver color onto the seal, just to make the rose pop just a teeny bit more than it already is. And I just really like the pastel lilac. It is so pretty, and I just really appreciate the soft tones of that wax bead. I will have all of the materials I used on this card linked in the below, except the pattern paper. If I can find some holographic paper like I used here on the back, I will link it. It might be from scrapbook.com. I don't know. We'll see, but I just have been really enjoying making cards lately. And next I glimmered some glimmered letters. Now these are from the Glimmered Alphabet, which is just such a fun glimmer and die set. It has the full alphabet, all lowercase, and you glimmer them out and then you die cut them out. Again, it's one of those glimmer once, die cut once. Love that. And now for this, I chose the letters LOVE to spell love, and I wanted it to go kind of in this bottom corner. And then to glimmer this out, I used this one, which was the silver holographic speckle, which has just these tiny little circles, which are the speckling, and it is holographic, which is perfect. It goes well with my glimmered area up here and my background. And they're very delicate, but very beautiful. I could not decide if I wanted to add colors to the letters or not, so I told myself I would wait until I got it on my card and then I would decide. And now that it's on there, I do want to add some purple to it just to give it more of a pop. That might work. It's a little light. Let's see. V04. That's the one. Okay. You know, I think I'm going to add this over that just to give it more of a dark look on the bottom. We'll see what that looks like. A little shading moment. I don't know if that really did much, but there you have it. Anyway, there is my finished card. I hope you love it just as much as I do. I just love the way that the light catches this one, and I hope that the recipient loves this one just as much as me. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments as well. Otherwise, this is my last video for June, so come back June 1st I'm going to have 4 videos June 1st, so if I can get my act together. So be ready. June's clubs are fabulous. That is really all I can say, but just know it's exciting and wonderful, and come back here to see all of the goodies that July has for you. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Happy crafting. Bye.